Hi everyone, in this short video one of our affiliate locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Chevy key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all Chevy key fobs and transponder key. If you have any questions, please comment below and we will answer. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're currently working on a 2020 Chevy Equinox. We're programming a new key into the vehicle. This is the working key and this is the new key. We have our scanner, it's hooked up to the OBD. We have to wait a total of 12 minutes after the machine does its thing. And once it does, we lay it up in here, which is the learning slot. Also, if your battery dies, that's where you put the key in the cup holder and push the start button. So once it's done, the reader is going to read the key that it's in there, and we're going to get a notification on the dashboard that the third key has been learned, because there's probably two on here, the original two, and now we're making a third one because the other one was lost. So 2020 Chevy Equinox programming, that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.